Enterprise search on generative AI app builder in Google Cloud lets you create custom chatbots and semantic search applications in as little as a few minutes with very minimal coding needed to get started and enterprise grade management and security built in. Gen App Builder's out-of-box capabilities can remove the need for data chunking, generating embeddings, or managing indexing, hiding complexity behind a straightforward interface, as you can see on your screen. You can combine their internal data with the power of Google's search technologies and generative foundation models, delivering relevant personalized search experiences for enterprise applications or consumer facing websites. Enterprise search on Gen App Builder lets developer create search engines that help ground outputs in specific data sources for accuracy and relevance. It can also handle multimodal data such as images and include controls over how answer summaries are generated. Multi-turn conversations are supported so that users can ask follow-up questions as they peruse outputs. And you have control over your own data. With the ability to ingest large volumes of documents and support for both unstructured and structured data, apps built with Gen App Builder helps customers solve the long-standing headache of finding relevant information across the organization. With this, you can turn tasks that used to take hours into quick searches or conversational exploration with an app. Gen App Builder can easily be integrated with Vertex AI for in-depth foundation model tuning, enabling flexible input and output search formats. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.